How to fix Google Drive cannot share file. To fix Google Drive sharing issues, first of all, you have to open the file link settings. First of all, launch the Google Drive application. Then locate the folder or file that you are trying to share. Once you find it, you simply have to tap on this three-dotted menu icon right next to it. You will find this Manage Access option right below the Share. Go ahead and tap on this. From here, you will find Restricted option. Go ahead and tap Change. Now, once again, tap on the side arrow and you will find this anyone with the link option. Once you update your file settings to anyone with the link, all you have to do is now set their roles by tapping on this viewer option. You can choose between editor, commenter, and viewer. Then you will find this link option on the top right. Go ahead and copy it. And once it is copied to your clipboard, you can use any of the messaging platforms to share this link. And there you go. This should fix your problem. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.